Mercedes has now revealed its new windshield wiper technology, called as Magic Vision Control. In new mechanism, the windshield wiper and washer are combined together, replacing the old conventional spray nozzles. Tiny laser cut holes along each blade spray the fluid directly in front of the wipers as they sweep in either direction. As a result, washer fluid consumption is reduced by 50% as compared to conventional windshield wiper system. The intelligent controls know when the top is down. To keep the fluid on the windshield and not in your car, Magic Vision Control cleans windshield without interrupting your view.
I've been watching you.
Now we have Audi S8. Let's check how its windshield cleaner works.
Pressing the stalk down once will give you a single wipe of the windshield. Pressing the stalk down and holding will give you continuous wiping until you release the stalk. Moving the stalk up to the first click from the off position will provide automatic rain sensing wiping, starting with a single wipe on activation. While activated, the rain sensor automatically turns on the wipers when it begins to rain, adjusting wiper frequency to match rainfall intensity. To increase or decrease the sensitivity of the rain sensing function, move the control switch on top of the stalk. Left for less sensitivity, providing fewer wipes, or to the right for greater sensitivity and more frequent wiping. Each time you change the sensitivity, the wipers will complete one wipe to acknowledge the change. The next stalk position up is for continuous low-speed wiping. The top position is for continuous high-speed wiping. To wash the windshield, pull the stalk towards you and hold. This will spray washer fluid and continue wiping as long as you hold it in this position, and wipe 3 more times after you release. With its ergonomic position and full function settings, the wiper stalk on your Audi provides you with a great deal of control of your visibility.
So, that's all in this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.